Upnil. So you got me enjoying cooking until you said 3.5 hours. Get ready, today's day, I'm gonna do fish in 1 hour. Let's go, buddy. Some meal, steak, 3.5 hours. Get ready, we're doing fish in I think 1 hour or something like that. Let me review and I tell you. So right now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do some meal prep for this week. So I'm gonna show you how to do it super easy, out of the box using sous vide, and I'm gonna show you what I do to make it in a way that I don't waste my time, which is the key, right? So I don't know if it is the safest way to do it, but it's how I do it, and it has worked for me. So I'm gonna show you. Let me show you real quick. So buddy, let's perhaps say I have to I just came through the door from my work and I want to have something real quick after my workout to eat. So what I'm gonna do, I have already prepackaged the this fish. This is mahi, and it has the seasoning and everything. So simple as dropping it here on the sous vide. So as you can see here, and just doing this, let me focus, and just pressing start, putting the cap and closing my fridge. I'm going to do my workout. So as you can see, my friend, as you can see, super easy, super fast. And now wait for the results. Let me put a pause here, let me work out, and yeah, see you in a little bit. Mission accomplished. Just kidding. So yeah, we finish up the workout. So let's see if that is ready. Let's go. Finish up the workout. Was amazing. Barely can hold the camera right now. So yeah, let's see if the little fish is ready to go. So let me show you something that happens a lot, and this is real life. Okay, I have my fishy here, and let me show you this. This is for my family. So do you see the reason why it's so hard to in reality go and and succeed doing the fitness and everything? It's hard. I know that firsthand. If you see here, look at this, pizza. Hey, where's the ice cream? No ice cream?
Not anymore.
Not anymore? So yeah. So basically that's reality. It sucks, even though this tastes really good, but when you compare this to pizza, so it's what happens. It's what happens. So basically the dinner is gonna be this, two of these mahi fish on it's kind of a reduced mango salsa that is low in calories, and also I'm gonna take it with some basmati rice. And yeah, simple as that. Later on I'm gonna get a little bit more creative with the recipes, but as of now, to make everything simple so I can be able to stick to the diet and everything for the cut, I'm trying to keep everything as minimal as possible. So once everything frees up, I have more time, then I can create more. So guys, let me put a pause here. I'm hungry. See you in a little bit. So yeah, simple as this. It's gonna be basmati rice with the mahi, also 1 lemon and hot sauce. And yeah, basically that's it. So taste test. Let's see. It tastes good, but my head right now is on the pizza that is on the other side. So dealing with the reality. like it tastes like really good. It tastes with it's a pineapple reduction or something like that. It's like a fruit that is really good, and the fish is super flaky, and the rice is like really good also because it's a basmati rice, kind of like yellow rice, so it tastes really good. Now the smell of the pizza is driving me crazy right now, so to be honest with you, because this is reality, this is day number 2 of the cut, but yeah, staying strong. Now yes, now it's an 8 out of 10, because when you combine it, it tastes like way better, like way better. Now it's a plus, like 8 out of 10. So basically at the beginning of the video I said that it was like a mango reduction, and then it tasted like pineapple, but in reality it's mango. Let me see if I can focus on this. Mango pineapple. There you go. So it tastes amazing. The calories are not bad, to be honest. It's 150 calories per one fillet. I'm taking 2 fillets, and it is 21 grams of protein per fillet, 6 grams of carbs, and 3.5 grams of fat. So it's really good. It's amazing. Like right now in the total, I'm getting 42 grams of protein, 12 carbs, and 7 grams of fat. Just amazing. So yeah, let you go now. Thank you so much for everything. Love you guys. If you like this content, please share, comment, and subscribe. I'm doing this full time, and let's go.
Problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a line for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust you. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bucket. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pot. I'ma give all of my people a portion.